Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Temu no internet error. If Temu is showing a no internet error, even though your connection seems fine, don't worry. In many cases, this can be caused by a temporary page issue, a weak connection, or stored browser data that needs to be cleared. We'll walk through a simple process to help you get the site working again. First, open the Temu website in your browser. Once the page loads, give it a moment and check whether the error is still appearing. Sometimes the site may fail to load properly on the first try, especially if your connection briefly dropped or the page timed out. Next, refresh the page. This forces the browser to request the website again and can quickly solve minor loading problems. After refreshing, check to see if Temu opens normally. If it does, then the issue was likely just temporary. If the problem continues, open a new browser tab and run a simple internet speed test. This helps confirm whether your internet connection is stable enough to load websites properly. If the speed test shows a slow or unstable connection, that may be the reason Temu is showing the no internet error. In that case, wait for the connection to stabilize before trying again. If your internet seems fine, but Temu still isn't working, go to the top right corner of your browser and click the three-dot menu. From there, open Settings. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Privacy and Security. In that section, find the option to delete browsing data. This is an important step because old cached files or cookies can sometimes interfere with how websites load. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, choose the time range set to all time. This makes sure all potentially corrupted site data is removed rather than just the most recent activity. Then click Delete to confirm. Depending on your browser, this may take a few seconds. Once the data has been cleared, return to the Temu site and try loading it again. At this point, the website should open more normally if the issue was caused by cached browser data. Keep in mind that clearing browsing data may sign you out of some websites, so that's completely normal. And that's it. By refreshing the page, checking your internet speed, and clearing browsing data through privacy and security settings, you can often fix the Temu no internet error quickly and easily.